fix Cash App cannot verify identity. So to fix a cannot verify identity error on Cash App, first check the information accuracy. Confirm your name, date of birth, and SS and match your official government documents word for word. Check for minor spelling mistakes or old addresses entered in your profile settings. Also make sure that you're 18 or older or properly set up as an authorized account user. Now, to fix this issue, what you can do is check for the updates. Just go to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store, find the Cash App, and if you see an update button available right here, tap on update to get the latest version. Now the next thing what you can do is reach out to contact support. Now before jumping on that, let me tell you one thing guys. Since I don't have an access to create a Cash App account in my region, I'll be using a screenshot and official information to walk you through the process. So what you have to do is open the Cash App, then log into your account. Now once logged in, tap your profile icon located in the top right corner of your screen, then tap support at the bottom or start a live chat for manual verification help. So that's it for this video guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.